Okay, ever Googled one error, found 5 answers that all disagree, and still had no idea what was going on? Yeah. Most coding tutorials either bury you in slides or just assume you already know everything. This is Codexium, built by devs who got tired of that, where the hard stuff gets animated until it actually clicks. Git and version control, how the web actually works, request by request. Async, algorithms, system design, the tools pros reach for every single day. Explained visually, no fluff. First line of code yesterday or shipping for 10 years. These respect your time and your brain. New video every week. Subscribe, the next one drops soon. And let's finally make this stuff make sense. This is Codexium, your gateway to the future of coding.